Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I will be making a healthy Mediterranean pasta. Stay tuned. This video is in collaboration with one of my very dear and first friends here on YouTube. Her name is Leanne. The title of her channel is Leanne's Life. She does a variety of recipes and grocery hauls. Please check her out and tell her that I sent you. You will absolutely love her content. If you are coming over from Leanne's channel, or if you stumbled upon my channel, my name is Jen. I do a variety of content, including cleaning, lifestyle, organization, and cooking, and I would love to have you in my YouTube family. For this recipe, you will need the following items. You will need some spaghetti. I have gluten-free spaghetti. 4 minced garlic cloves. Some black pepper. About a cup of parsley, some lemon juice. I purchased the lemon juice, but you can also squeeze your own lemon juice. 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and I use this kind. Some green onion diced up. A cup of artichoke hearts cut into 4ths. A cup of sliced black olives. Some grape tomatoes for the top. And a cup of feta cheese to sprinkle on top as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is boil my spaghetti according to the directions. So here is a cool pasta trick. All you do is you take it out of the box, plop it down into the pot, and it will eventually soak down in there and cook perfectly. I heat my pan to medium heat and pour in some olive oil and just let it get warm. So I've heated up my olive oil, and I'm just going to put the garlic cloves in and leave them in for about 20 seconds. Now I'm going to put my onions in after I've removed my pan from the heat. Give it a good stir. And now my parsley goes in. And again, I'm going to stir that around as well. So now I'm just going to mix this together. Gonna add in my pepper. couple of squirts of lemon juice. Pour in the artichoke hearts. Continue mixing. Now my black olives. Now I'm going to put the feta cheese on top. Add some grape tomatoes and it's all ready. So this is what it looks like on a little plate, and I'm going to do a little taste test. It's absolutely delicious. If you give it a try, let me know. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. A container. Would that be called a container?